All right, everyone. Charles Elwood. I am a beginner with Python, with Visual Studio Code, and I want to show you how I got it started quickly, right? So Visual Studio Code, you can see here is, I believe it's free. I've downloaded it. I've used it for free. Oh yeah, there, free, built on open source, runs everywhere, and it runs, and you can write Python code in it. So go ahead and download from this website. I'll put it in the comments below too. After you install, so before we get started writing some code, I also need to show you the extensions. So I believe you go into Explorer, go into extensions here, and you type in Python in the search window. There it is. So there's Python for VS Code. So it looks like this here. See, I've already got it installed. But you can see all the different extensions, and I've got both of these installed here. And you need to add these before I believe you can run it in VS Code. But once you have those installed, and then you go back to Explorer, and you click on your Python file, then I'm going to put this code down below too. But you can type in this code manually or just cut and paste from down in the comments. Enter it into this file that we created called pythonexample.py, and then go to this button, say Run and Debug, and down in the window in the terminal down here, you'll see I'll be able to say, let's say the name is Kim. Type in his name. My name is Kim. So it takes an input, loads a variable, types in an output string with that variable concatenated on the back of it. So pretty cool stuff. Let me know if you want to learn anything else or have any questions about Python and Visual Studio Code, and I'll make another video. Thanks, bye.